So now let's us see how we can find the vertex. So to find the vertex, you need to know these equations. So this is the standard form and this is the vertex form. So your P, if you want to go from standard form to vertex form, so you can know where is your vertex, you should calculate your P. Your P is minus B over 2A over 2A. And your Q will be your C minus A times your Q that you find square. Okay, got it? Perfect. So let's see some examples. So for example, we have here, for example, let's see this, for example, let's see this equation. So this is the regular one, x squared, all know it. This is x squared minus 2x, but you cannot see the vertex there. Same thing here, minus x squared plus 2x plus 8. It is same thing as the, but you cannot see the vertex there. So to see the vertex or to know your vertex, you need to calculate your P. So for example, for this y, we start with our B and C. So what is your A here? So my A is minus 1, my B is 2, my C is 8. So this is the first thing I should write. So my P is minus B over 2A, which is minus 2, because my B is here, so which is minus 2 over 2 times minus 1. This is 1. Okay, I just find my P. Now let me find my Q. My Q is C. From this equation, your Q is C, which is, I have it here, which is 8 minus A, which is minus 1, times P squared. My P squared is 1 square. Okay, this is my Q. So my Q is equal to 8 minus 1 is 1 times 1 is 1, so it's plus 1. It is 9. So now my vertex point are 1 and are P and Q, so they are 1 and 9. And I know from my previous explanation that the axis of symmetry will be at P. So my P is there, so I will have my symmetry at 1 here. So 1 is my axis of symmetry. Good, symmetry axis. So now you know, so the vertex point is this. The vertex point is, you go one, find 1, it's 1 and 9. So 1 and you go up 9. So this is my vertex. So my vertex is 1, 9. This is my vertex. Okay. From there, I can actually write my vertex form equation. So my vertex form equation will be, I know it's y a times x minus p plus q. So my vertex form is a is minus 1, so minus 1 times x minus p minus 1 plus q, which is 9, plus 9. Good. So now I see from this equation that my parabola was shifted right side 1 unit and up side 9 units, and it was reflected down sideward because my A is negative. Okay, and this is exactly what you can see from here. It is same as this one, shifted the right side 1 unit, upside 9 unit, and flip it downside because my A is negative. Perfect. You can do the same thing for all of them. Same thing. Here you have your C is 0, and you apply the same formula and the same knowledge just you learn just right now.